1884. Switzerland is in the full bloom of industrialization. In Ibach, Schweiz, my great-grandfather Karl, with the support of his mother Victoria, opened a cutlery workshop. Few years later, Karl established the Swiss Cutlery Association with the goal of supplying the Swiss Army with the soldier knife. This knife, while ingeniously designed and multifunctional, was a little heavy and bulky. That's why he created a smaller, lighter knife, which was more elegant and included additional functions. He called this new model the Swiss Officers and Sports Knife and patented it in 1897. The rest is history. Our family's workshop grew and grew while our brand name changed from Elsener to Victoria, and then with the introduction of stainless steel to Victorinox. After World War II, the American GIs brought the original Swiss Army knife to the United States, and Victorinox started to conquer the world.
Since the foundation of our company by my great-grandfather, Victorinox has evolved substantially.
As time and technologies developed, we continuously added innovations to the Swiss Army knife. This passion for quality, functionality, innovation and design is at the core of what all our employees do every day. It has shaped the Victorinox brand over the years. All our products are inspired by these same values and the heritage of the original Swiss Army knife. Victorinox products are functional, reliable and long-lasting. The little red knife that can do almost anything is an icon and has turned into a global authentic brand. Victorinox, one brand, 6 product categories, 130 years of history. Your companion for life.